Okay guys, we just got back from doing a bit of shopping and I'm gonna show you what I got. The first place we went to, where did we go? We went to World Market. I didn't actually get anything from there, but we did see a really cute chair, and it's like an egg chair to go out on my balcony. So we're thinking about that because I don't have patio furniture yet, so that's one option. But after that we went to Marshall's and I got some kitchenware from Marshall's. So it's all Le Creuset. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Le Creuset? It's all Le Creuset. So we got a set of 4 of these mugs. Set of 4 of these Le Creuset mugs. And okay, so here's the mugs. I think they're really cute. They're just like a really pretty cream color. Cute. And then kind of to match that, we got a Le Creuset. What is this, Mom?
Casserole.
Casserole dish. We got a Le Creuset casserole dish because I need to build out my kitchenware because I don't have any. So yeah, that's what we got from Marshall's. Super cute in my opinion. Then also from Marshall's, we bought this mirror. I think you probably saw a few clips, but we saw it and it's got like a really cool, like circular, I don't know, detailing all the way around it. So this would be to go above my dresser in my room, and I'll probably show you later because we're gonna like hold it up there and see how it looks. But yeah, it was only $40. When we were at World Market, we were looking at mirrors and they were like $200, and this one was only $40. I'm gonna do this one. But then the last place we went to was the Container Store, and I got 4 of these kind of like stackable drawers. They're all acrylic and the like drawers pull out because in my bathroom there's like barely any counter space, so I can't really have my bathroom stuff out on the counter, and the 2 drawers are really tiny. So I got these 4 to go under the sink. I'm thinking like 2 on this side, and there's like the drain pipes and 2 on that side. And we got them so that the drawers can pull all the way out so that I can take them out and put it on top of my counter space. Like I can put my everyday skincare in here. So we'll see how that goes. I also got a poopery at the Container Store because you have to have poopery. So anyways, that's the haul. Okay guys, I brought the mirror in here. I'm gonna see if I can open it. I don't know what this is. I don't know if you guys saw, but I like organized this. I like set it up a little bit. I'll show you like a closer look. But it's looking so cute, and now we're gonna have a mirror on there too. It's coming together. There we go. Looks like it just takes a nail. I'm just gonna lean it here for now so I can see what it might look like. I think that's cute. Mom, come tell me what you think. Alright, and I think I'm gonna hang it.
I want you to, I think you can hang it up higher. Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. Oh my. That's really cute.
Yeah.
I like it. Okay guys, I think it is time that we start on the bathroom. So I'm gonna bring these into the bathroom right now and then I'll set you up in there and we'll see what's going on. Okay guys, we are now in the bathroom. If it's echoey, I don't care. Be prepared because it's kind of actually a mess down here. But that is why we're organizing it. Okay, this is what we're dealing with. So I think the first step is to just take everything completely out and see what I'm dealing with. So let's do that. Okay, so now that we have a completely blank slate, I'll tell you guys what my initial plan was. So I think I want it. Oh my god. Do we have in there? No. I'm a strong, independent woman. So this was the plan originally, to just do 2 here and 2 here, but I didn't realize how big the space is underneath here. But I think it leaves room for growth. If I have more that I need, like if I need more of these, I can go get them and I know that I have room to put more. I think for right now, I'm gonna actually put both stacks on this side. I just like the way that looks. Oh wait, I have to, okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'll move this way, but this drawer can't open because of the hinges, so we're gonna need to shift everybody over a tad so that everyone, oh, see about this, and go back a little bit. There we go. Everybody can open now. So I think I just need to go, oh, here's my poopery, I need to put that on the toilet. I need to, okay, so I have 4 bins. I'm just gonna organize everything in here. Okay, this is teeth. This is all gonna be teeth. Extra toothbrushes. This travel case. And then this is my extra mouthwash. Oh, and then my teeth whitening thingy things. Okay, yeah, so this is the teeth bin for now. I think I'm gonna put my daily skincare up in my, you can't see, I have a medicine cabinet right there. So that doesn't have to be a bin down here because it's all gonna go up there. Because I tried it before and it fits. So I think I'm gonna put like extra skincare in this bin. So let's, because I've got so many face masks, and are you guys gonna wanna, do you wanna see what I'm doing? So like I've got a ton of face masks, more, and then I've got all of these like extra little things that I don't use every day, but I use every once in a while. So those are all gonna go in here. So they're not taking up counter space. See, these are like pimple patches. More little skincare stuff. Cream. And then like this is extra moisturizer, so that can go in there. This is body lotion. I don't know if I'm gonna have a separate like body bin or not, but I don't know. Alright. It's okay. Just making sure you're alright. Okay. Oh, and then this is my like thing that I use to wash my face with, so I can go in there. Oh my god, this is looking so cute. Oh, this is my like hair turban, so that'll be hung up somewhere. This is my toothbrush that needs to be plugged in up there. Okay, I have a bunch of extra like shaving stuff. So maybe I'll put that in this bin. And then I also have like, this is like my IPL device, so I think I'll throw that in there. With all of these extra razors and things. Oh, here's more skincare. More skincare. And here's more. Okay, maybe I'll put the body lotion in with like the shaving stuff, because that makes sense to me. I'll put this. And then this is also for shaving. It's like that. Okay, cool. I think that's it for like body. Cool. And that fits so perfectly. Okay, and then this one, I think I'm gonna do hair, because this is all full of hair stuff. I probably should actually get rid of a lot of this, but I don't think it's gonna happen right now. Or should it? Okay, fine, it will. Okay, I don't ever wear these, or this. I wear this one. I don't wear this one. I wear this gold one. These are, I'll keep these. They're cute and they're small. Emma got me this one. It's so cute. And this one needs to be thrown away because now I have a new gold one. That one's kind of rusty. I like this pink one. And these little ones I love. Then this is my straightener. Should I put it in here? I don't use it that often. Yeah, okay, I'll put it in here. Oh, this is also hair. It's like blow dry spray. Okay, hair ties in here. This is my, I did it the wrong way. I thought this was the front. Now this is my hair bin. It's gonna go right there. So my question is, because I still have kind of more like, oh, this is also hair. These are my amazing little, what are they called? Mini like rubber band things. This is for like my cotton swabs, so this usually goes on the counter. This is nail stuff. I don't think I'm gonna keep nails in here. Okay, so what I have left is this thing with like pads, tampons, all of that. And I'm wondering if, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put these out. And I'm gonna put these down here, like this. And I'm gonna actually move this stuff. Actually, keep this one here. Actually, yeah, this is fine. I'll just move this here, this here. And then I'm going to, I don't know if you guys can see that. Then I'm gonna put this on top. And this one on top here. So that I have bulk storage if I need it, like that's period stuff. And then, oh, I can put this stuff under there. I have extra stuff for my shower. Like this is a like squeegee thing, and this is an extra drain pump plug thing, and this is a shower mat. Like that. So I guess I'll take you through a tour of what I did. Up here is like daily skincare, so it's just like super easily accessible when I need it. This is my toothbrush, soap, and then this is where like cotton swabs and cotton pads will go when I am living here full time. I think I'm gonna move this to with my makeup. That's all goes in my bedroom. This one is gonna have like my hairbrush and my comb. This one just has like what I use to keep my hair back when I wash my face, but I think I'm actually gonna move my straightener into this drawer. And then down here we have 2 bulk bins and then 4 kind of more specialized bins. So this bulk bin has extra stuff in there, like trash bags and like a drain, things like that. This one has pads, tampons, and then extra Q-tips. And then down here, this has all my teeth stuff. This is all my body care. This is skin care. And this is hair. And it looks really good to me. Yeah, I love it. I hung up my hair towel thing up there. And that's about it. So, it looks pretty great to me.